Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sikha here, and as we all know that Diwali is just a few days away, so I will show you all how I decorated, painted and arranged the diyas for display. This is a tray diya. I am preparing the diyas to light up. At first, I am arranging the cotton buds in all the diyas, and then I will pour oil and light. Diyas are lightened to move from darkness into light. Light signifies purely goodness and good luck. So now I have finished arranging. I will pour oil and then light up. All the 11 diyas have been lightened up. These are designer diyas which I have bought at very low price from the local market and have turned them into really attractive ones. In my upcoming video, I will share the place where you can get these diyas from. I have given this simple clay diya a brass look. Next comes a bit attractive one, and I will also put the links of the designer diyas in the description box below, so you can also check it out. Here is the process, so let's follow.